This maple bacon is way better. You spit it out? It was that bad?
I don't like it.
He's over here making a mess with his freaking fruit punch. He's a little ass kid, bro. I'm telling you.
This is the regular Whopper right here that we're gonna be reviewing.
The new box, you see the new box they're doing and everything.
Yeah, like this is like a new bun. It's kind of like thicker, right?
Yeah, like the bun look a little bit thicker. It says that they're grilling it and that they're adding like a special mayo. I don't be eating BK like that no more, but let's try it out.
Nobody cares. Anyways.
By the way, this wasn't in the thumbnail. I had the idea. We're also gonna be trying, I think, the steakhouse Whopper, which I got right here.
They kind of messed up the orders. They gave us that bigger one.
Yeah, they gave us a full size one, which is free. We got the fries with the meal.
Small fries.
Little small fries with the meal type shit.
All right, you try that. I'll try this.
Again, this is the new classic Whopper. Not a promo video. We just want to try it. Look at it. It's giving BK.
Looks good. First bite.
Is it hot? Yo,
bro.
This kid just dropped all the fries, bro. How's the food though? Go ahead.
Good. You don't taste the tomatoes heavily. The only thing that you really taste that you say you don't like, the onion, you can taste it, and the cucumber.
The pickle. It is a cucumber. It's just pickled, but the pickle.
But it's really good. It's really good. It doesn't taste gross or anything like.
It has flavor?
Yeah, it has flavor. Like you can just tell.
It's layered really well, honestly.
It's layered really well.
Because
like it's not too thick or too thin. Like it's just everything is level.
Because if you think about the old Whopper, I feel like that shit was just all smushed in. Can you taste that new mayo? Like, because they said they had a new mayo.
The new mayo. I mean, I don't really feel the difference.
It's still kind of the same mayo?
It's still kind of the same, but I could eat this all day.
Oh, this is the maple bacon one. What I'm about to try, because I just wanted to try that for the video, because you know they have a bunch of different Whoppers and we can rank them. This is it right here. See, it has the bacon in there, has like little crumbs. I don't know what them little crumbs are at, but it's packaged just like the big Whopper. Just a nice little big bite for y'all. Nice little big bite for y'all.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
I like it because the maple bacon has like a little nice flavor to it, and the sauce they use, I don't think it's barbecue, but it enhances the burger. Overall, if you ask me, I know I didn't try the classic Whopper, but this is probably more flavorful than the classic Whopper. So I'll put this at number 1 right now when it comes to just the regular one size Whopper.
So you think this one's better than this one? Actually,
you can take a bite.
I'll take a bite right after. Let me bite the other one.
It's a junior one though. I don't know if they put like 1 onion ring or anything. Okay.
Show him what it looks like.
Okay, this is it. Oh, there is an onion ring right there.
It's very small, bro.
It's very small. It's very small. It's a junior. You know what I'm saying? It's for your kids. Anybody that wants a little small meal, you know, BK got the junior. You know what I'm saying? You want to try it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
How do I hold it?
It doesn't matter. Just bite into that bit.
What is that? Mushrooms right here?
I don't know if that's mushrooms, but that could be mushrooms.
This right here?
Mushrooms just soak up the flavor. They don't taste like anything different. What you think? He said he don't like onion rings, even though onion rings is just deep fried onions.
No. I mean, it's all right. It's not bad. The only thing you really taste is just the beef and the onion rings. And a little bit in the initial bite, you tasted the mushrooms. I mean, I don't really like it. Me personally, it's not that good. Nah, it's all right. You want to take a bite?
What's that bite?
I don't really like it.
Take a bite in the other side, because, you know, not biting the same spot he bought.
It doesn't taste great, bro.
He bit. I said bought. What the heck?
Oh, how you dropped the AirPod?
It's not bad.
Not bad? It's bad. I don't like it.
Honestly, if you ask me, it's not bad. The onions give it like a little bit of another texture. Onion ring, and the mushrooms too. The mushrooms are not adding no texture, but that's the thing about mushrooms. They just suck up texture, and I said texture, the flavor of things that they're with. There's only some mushrooms that have like a distinct flavor for real. But overall, my favorite one right now is this maple bacon. This maple bacon is way better. You spit it out? It was that bad?
I don't like it.
Yo, he spit it out. Okay, so
I'm sorry, I don't like it. It's not for me. It doesn't have a great taste.
He's over here making a mess with his freaking fruit punch. He's a little ass kid, bro. I'm telling you. Honestly, for me, if I'm ranking this other like burger, I forget the Whopper name, but it's another one in there. I think it's the Impossible. Is it Impossible Whopper? It's not the maple bacon. No, this is the maple bacon.
Wait, you're talking about the one that I got?
No, this one right here. This is the Impossible.
That was the ultimate.
Oh no, this is the steakhouse.
That's a steakhouse.
So this steakhouse Whopper, I'm probably gonna give it like a 6, 7.
Bruh.
That wasn't on purpose, by the way.
Bro, come on.
It wasn't on purpose. I'm being so serious. I don't even do that shit. I hate that joke, but I just went with it because it's like, I know you guys, and whatever. I'm giving it a 6 or a 7, no cap. 7 or 6, whatever. But the maple bacon, for sure, I'm putting this shit on a 10. When it comes to BK.
I need to try that one. I haven't tried it.
BK burgers.
Let me try that first burger you tried. I hate that one. That last one that we tried. No, Don't get it. I don't care. Don't get it, bro.
Yeah, he spit that shit out, so he really don't like it.
That,
Yo, I'm finishing this burger, so you better.
you actually like it, like for real?
That shit hit, bro.
Hold on. I'm biting this side because he's just gross.
I'm gross, right? You better bite a small piece. That's how I'm finishing that shit. That ain't my bad. Those who asking what I'm drinking, fruit punch and Sprite.
No, this is good.
Then,
Is that syrup?
that's what I'm saying.
Wait, that's fire.
That's just
that's
tough.
fire. That's fire. That's
That's
fire.
just tough. I keep telling you, bro. Get the maple
The
Whopper,
bacon
bro.
with the syrup. No, that's a crazy combo.
Get the maple Whopper.
That might be one of the best. I'm not even gonna lie.
And he tried the classic Whopper. He liked it. I'm not saying the classic Whopper
This
was
one's
not,
better than the classic.
but the maple
The
Whopper,
maple's really good,
this is where it's at, bro. You get the maple Whopper, bro.
bro.
And this is supposed to be a classic Whopper review, but I had to get the other two to compare them, because you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So overall, 10 out of 10, maple Whopper?
I give that one a 10.
What about the classic Whopper?
The classic, the regular Whopper, this one that I tried,
Mhm.
I give it like a 8.5.
8.5.
It's not crazy, but it's good.
So it's still
It's
good.
good,
It's
yeah.
still a good Whopper. Overall,
It's because this is very different. Like the syrup, the bacon
I
combination,
wasn't lying.
it's a good combination.
The little
it is a miss.
crunchy, the
It is
little
a miss.
crunchy bits. I'm telling you, if you gotta get BK, get a maple Whopper. Get a maple bacon Whopper. I don't know what this sauce is. It's not barbecue or anything like that. I think it's like some maple syrup sauce for the maple bacon, but it's really good. Get the classic Whopper. You know what I'm saying? I've always liked the Bacon King.
I mean, I always liked it too, but I
That's
feel
what I
like if
always
you eat it
said.
too much, you get tired of it.
You do get tired of it. You gotta do
It
it.
gets you kind of get grossed out. It's that type of thing when you eat, you can't keep eating it too much, you know, repetitively, because.
But overall, though, 8 out of 5 or 8.5 out of 10 for the classic. They did their thing in the updated one. And this maple burger, this maple Whopper,
Yeah.
which wasn't even planned. I just did it on a whimsy.
Yeah.
This shit 10 out of 10. So if you go to BK, get this maple freaking Whopper.
So just to re-rate it, this one, the regular Whopper, I'm gonna give it a 8.5. This one a 10, which
10.
is the one that I liked, and then the last one
Which is the steakhouse Whopper.
the disgusting one with the mushrooms,
which is right
I
here.
give that one a 0.
I give this one like a 6. It wasn't trash, but it doesn't have the same amount of flavor as the maple bacon Whopper. And then the other one I didn't try, I just left it off of him because I don't like tomatoes or
Yeah.
pickles, and I'm probably just gonna give that shit a
Yeah.
2. So that's just me.
Okay, but honest review on the one that I didn't like at all.
Mhm.
You actually think that one's good?
I don't think it's good. I just feel like it's not ass. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. Why do you
Like-
not think it's ass?
Because I ate it and it was edible. Like I was like,
No
I didn't.
shit,
I
it's
didn't-
edible. It's food.
Yeah, but when I say edible, like you can like swallow it. Pause. Bro, I'm being serious. I mean, okay, look. Overall, though, I didn't spit it out. He spit it out. So I guess
Yeah,
you can.
I
I
had to.
guess you can give really that Whopper a 5. But if I was hungry and I had to eat something, I'll bang that Whopper up if that's what I had. But if I had a choice between the 3, maple bacon Whopper. That's what I'm going. Automatic. And the fries are always solid in BK. So, hey.
They're pretty salted, not overly salted.
Mhm.
What do you call it? It's not super hot or cold, like it's just warm. It's good temperature.
Good temperature.
You know?
And honestly, the only reason why these are warm and they're not hot is because when we were in there, they were taking mad long to take care of us, and our pickup order was already up to the side. Like, it was already ready, but they just took a long ass time, you know what I'm saying? But yeah.
But yeah, guys, that's really it
Mm-hmm.
for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? If you guys got any ideas, maybe that you've seen another creator do, we could possibly try that. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe. Anything you got to say?
Hey, man. BK got they big one with this maple bacon Whopper. Now, am I going to order it again? No, because I don't be eating BK and McDonald's no more, for real. But it was good. Still a good experience. It's been a minute. Thank you for watching.